Hi viewers, let me show write a simple program to calculate interest on a loan. That's very funny to calculate the interest. So here many people don't know about how to calculate interest in a regular. So I have to show how to calculate an interest in a C++ program. So watch carefully. I have to show how to calculate this. So here I have to write a simple program for easy to understand that, and the program is here. So the program is there. So here this is the program. This is a very simple program. So first I have to explain this program right now. So watch here, and this is the header file hashing.iosm.h. So many header files are in C and C++. So header files are most useful for any programming language. So hashing.iosm.story.h means std input output.h. So actually we have to use in C++, we have used the first header file, that is hashing.iosm.h. So iosm.h means cout scene statements 5 we have used there. So in this program we have used only printf statements, so we have to use the stdio.h. So now here this is the main function. So and we have to take the integer, that is the days equal to 45. So here the amount of taken days is the 45 days, we have to take the amount, so that is the int. So now float principal equal to 3500. So the original loan amount is 3500 rupees. Now float interest rate is equal to, so here interest rate is the 0.155 interest rate is there, so we have to give that. And the float again daily interest is the, we now don't know if we have to find the daily interest of this loan amount. So watch here, in that daily interest equal to interest rate by 365. So here this is a very important, this is the compute floating point number value. So this is the value for finding the daily interest. So daily interest equal to interest rate by 365. Now here watch there. So in the daily interest is, so in that daily interest equal to principal into daily interest into days. So here this is the daily interest, we have to find that. So already we have to find the daily interest equal to interest rate into interest rate by 365, and again daily interest equal to principal into daily interest into days, and principal plus equal to daily interest. So here the principal plus is daily interest now right now here in the print of the balance uv is the principal total amount. So here this is the program, and these steps are very important in this program. So here we had to find the daily interest of the person who would have to take the amount. So here this is the time we have to write a program into C++ IDE, and I have a compile and executed. So watch here. So here this is the C++ IDE. So watch in that this is the turbo C++ IDE. So click on file. So in the C it doesn't work the mouse. So in the C++ IDE we use the mouse. So that is the difference between C and C++. So now here we have to type new file, and we have typed the program right now. So now watch here. So in that type that stdio.h main days equal to 45, float principal equal to 3500.00. So 00 was must use that because we have to take the floating point number. So again float interest rate equal to 0.155. Now float daily interest, we don't know that. So now here we have to find daily interest. Now daily interest equal to interest rate by 365. The 365 means the 365 days the yearly has the. So now here we have to type again daily interest equal to principal amount into daily interest into means the hashtag, now days. So here we have to write the days. Now days. Now here principal plus equal to daily interest so now in that we have to use the printf. Now printf, so in the printf we have type the balance you owe is space percentage dot 2f. Now we have used the backslash n and the principal. So now we have to return 0. Now close that. Now watch in that here this is the program, and this is a very simple program to easy to understand. So here this time I have to compile this program. Now in the C++ ID we have to compile the program plus all plus F9. So here the total lines compiled is 321 and the warnings is 0 and S0. We have to type correct to the program. Now click enter. So this time I have to execute this program. So now press Ctrl plus F9 to execute this program in C++ ID. Press Ctrl plus F9. So here the program will execute, but the output has not seen well because you don't give the getch method, so you do not see the output. So you have to see the output in C++ ID. Press Alt plus F5 to see that. So in that the balance you have won this 3565.57. so here we have to won that because the interest rate is the 68.57 paisa. We have to find that. So here this is the program. So what's the errors there? So here we have to give the main, then we have to give the return 0. So every object oriented programming you must return the value that is 0. So otherwise the function shouldn't take the continue the program. So now here we have to put in comments. So was the compilation. So here the warning is the function should have return value, that is must and should. So you do not give the return value is 0. So here we have to use the void main. So now void main we have to compile that. Now so here was that there is warning is 0 and error is 0. So this is the way to find the error. So here in that we have to give void or we have to int void. So int void you must give the warning is there. So you int void you must give the return 0. So void means nothing but null value, so you don't, it automatically take the 0. So here this is the way, and yeah, this is the program and this is the output of this program. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.